Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on how I clean up my brows. What you're going to need is a pack of makeup wipes here, just because I'm going to clean off my face, make sure that I don't have anything in my brows at all. A spoolie of some sort. This is just the one that I use for doing my makeup on a regular basis. You're also going to need a tweezers, any kind will do, and then a small pair of scissors like so. And then I'm just going to use this little compact mirror. This is one that I got from my sister when she had asked us to be bridesmaids. Any kind of mirror will do. This is just easier for me to use because I can hold it however close I need to so that I can see which hairs exactly I'm going to be removing. And wipe my face all down. Go ahead and get them combed up like so, and all of those extra hairs that stick up we're going to cut. You can see my tail, it's not too bad. There's a few that we're gonna cut, but it's mainly this part that gets super bushy that we're just gonna trim all of those extra hairs. So once you have them combed like so, you're gonna take your scissors and just trim off any of those extra guys that are sticking out past that general shape of your eyebrow. Comb them down. And do the same thing for these guys. Say for instance right here, it's a little too much. I'll either A, kind of hold it down, those down with my spoolie because they will pop up typically, and then just trim those that are sticking out right there. I'm just going to do the other eyebrow real quick. Your brows to be shaped is you go up from the corner of your mouth and the side of your nose, and this is where you want your brow to then start. So all of those hairs that are sticking out past, we're gonna pluck and get rid of. It hurts too much, what you can do is pull your skin up like this and hold it taut, and then pull up in that direction. And now we're going to do the end. So how you do that is from the corner of your mouth, line it up with the corner of your eye, and then where it is, all of these hairs past come off. Is going to be, you're going to look straight ahead and line it up with the outer edge of your eye color. This eyebrow, it already has a pretty good arch, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to go in now and take out all of these stragglers so that it tapers off to a nice point over here. So like right here, I got an extra one. See, this one has lost its shape a little bit more than this one had. Right, so we'll start out in the middle here. And everything that has to come off, so I'll show you again. Right there's the arch, and you can see all those then that have to come off to taper it. And what helps too is if you go in with this pointed side right here, because then you get more of a precise area that you're grabbing. At a time, because you don't want to go in and make your arch too high and then all of a sudden have this outer tail cleaned up brow. If you aren't fully confident with just freehanding it like I did, you can go ahead and take either a white eyeliner pencil, a brow pencil, pomade, anything, and go ahead and make the lines where it is so that you don't overgo in one way or the other. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next one. All right, bye guys.